The distribution grid has increasing levels of complexity and digitalization. As a result, electrical substations need to be managed with higher fidelity. System components and automation should work together so you can operate the grid with fewer disturbances, higher reliability, and lower cost. Be ready to meet the future demands of distribution automation and medium voltage applications today with the all-new Relion REF650 multi-application protection and control relay. Our latest milestone in distribution automation is designed for harsh environments and enables you to enhance your grid reliability, flexibility, and security. Optimize operations and save on costs. And use its intuitive web HMI for simplified maintenance and operations. Digitalize power and automation networks and get advanced protection and control for your current and future power distribution applications with the modular, scalable, and intelligent REF650.